everyone and welcome to Harmless TV. Yeah, my real people na bonga sister na bonga pikin na bonga mama don still come out again. Make I come dey yarn na the main tori wetin go dey happen for ground. They think say they go fit hide am for us like you. We go continue to dey talk because they think say they go fit shut our mouth. Make una come see wetin dey happen now concerning the killing when e be say e go on for Lekki now. For lag now when e be say Lagos State Governor when be Sanwo-Olu just go other soldiers make they go they keep protesters. They said now they be hoodlums, they not be protesters again. May we come let you know whether they come they use their mouth they hear because their nyash now don't still open. And we now come the reason that they calculate am for now, they arrange am for now. So we go soon run am for now to make una know say una when be Nigeria government, all of una, from soldiers so reach the moment they pick dustbin for ground, say reach the president, go so all of una, nobody when truth dey for him mouth. Una too they lie. Una too they lie. I don't know what una want. Una when be saying una dey for top, una they lie like this. Wetin I want to make small children make they do. My real people, this man when they call it Brigadier General Ahmed Taiwo. Put down for them make we dey see am. Ahmed. Now wetin you come here come be this one. Ahmed don't come open up. You don't come use the mark until let us know wetin dey. Ahmed they tell us say na Lagos State Governor. Now he ordered them. Now he called them saying let them know say the work when they for Lekki too much. I don't know work when they whether the protesters when they ask for good thing make it come for their land. Whether na them come be bad people, na them come be work. Me I don't know. He come call soldier say, no sit down there when we say work for Lekki, no they collect salary, no they do anything. Me I don't know whether that okay, now they pay Nigeria soldiers for because me I never see anything when they do when we say better for inside. You understand? If there's someone I go fight Boko Haram, I no go fit fight. I don't know who now they fight except when they pay una. Now that one if come first Lagos State Governor, when they come send una go kill your children, una go use Nama talk. My people, the man say Ahmed Taiwo say he said that Lagos State Governor now he ordered them. Say when they go shoot for there. And he said when they go there, he said that two type of bullets now they carry. He said they carry the one where they kill fowl. They carry the one where they kill human being. Because they don't calculate them and they go mix them together. Now they understand. He said before the Lagos State Governor ordered them, they not hear from the Mr. President when he be saying I be Buhari. Baba, where you dey? You dey see us? Come stay with us more because now your story with the nyan so. You understand? So he say Buhari not even hear the matter. Buhari not know. But the soldier they let us they know say he inform person when supposed to inform Buhari, when supposed to inform another Buhari. We don't know whether not the one when see they have been at the one when not they when they make her. Now the matter with the run so. You understand? So he inform Buhari. Then the Buhari no condo. The person when they send make it send Buhari, not send Buhari, I be send Buhari, we not can understand what they Buhari and for now they understand. So the boo now not know what they happen. So the Lagos State Governor now be the one he be say if he take law into his hands, no say for Nigeria, for Africa, law not there now when be say they make the law and they scatter them. So he can carry the whole bobo law now put for his hand now, come send soldiers make it go. Make it go kill children, no, his own children for inside Lagos. So this one will be full of any person. Maybe other soldiers may they go shoot for Lekki. Now Yoruba man now inside they may they go kill his own children for his own town. Make una they see how the matter they happen so. The soldiers say as they reach there now, he said their eye come they see double. You know some of them don't hide finish now. Soldiers now then gather the thing well. Now then they for the arrange and the depth on for their head day. He said they reach there, their eye come they see double. They see wish, they see wizards, they see mamu water. So they not gonna know what he can enter for their brain. So they just they shoot. Now not say the first time when they come out, they tell us they not shoot though. They say inside air, now they shoot. They even first of all tell us they not go. Later they say they go, they not shoot. The other one they say they not even see anybody. You say whether na one person, be nobody even die. Only then they talk. Only Nigeria government. I beg, make una do small. Waiting with this one. So there's a rubber bullet, black bullet with the original bullet when they kill human being and they carry go. So as they reach there now, see as waiting that they call her, say they see am robbers, so say be kidnappers inside. They say maybe smart, they say hoodlums. Hey, now that one I pay me pass, don't make I carry this matter come. They say protesters when it be say people, young ones when it be say that they ask for the betterness of their future. They won't repair their country. They now hoodlums. Nice soldiers, now they take them to be now hoodlums. Now Lagos State governor, now he take them to be. They say they reach them now, they say they not resemble them protesters again. No. People, when they sing your own national anthem, when they sing to your country, they raise your flag. You say na hoodlums, now then they raise your flag. Up Mario, you don't finish, my people. Men, I see the matters, you don't read so. Now they reach here, say na hoodlums, now they see. Now they carry bullets. Now up my shoot, I've been down. He say he don't even know where he shoot. My killers have been a kill goats, I've been a kill human being. He say he don't even know the one where they kill for inside. That's how we see the matter with you. So now they won't let us know say everything what we they use our ITC. All our people went die for inside. People went wounds. When see they for hospital. When see carry the wound reach today. People when even say they don't even pursue come up for the country because of this matter. No, they let us they not say all na lie. When our first carry and send a fake news we they give say nobody died for Lekki, not shoot for Lekki, soldier not even dead there. So now not come be the fake news now. Nigerian government now be fake. So my people make it not come be saying me just nyana. Make it not be saying me just nyana with my own mouth saying I'm not saying because anytime I go say show us video. But no say let be every time person they show video. You get video when this person not fit show. But you go let no know what they but not go understand because from our own Africa now sure. So make una take time now make una watch and well. They hear them from the soldiers when they use the man they talk and say they go then a rubber bullet they carry. Buhari no know this and that after the whole did and done. So when we go come back now, we will come let them know say why. It can't be said that no one can admit what they do. Why they no one can let us know the truth? What they want make when we will be the children? What we want can do? If our leaders they're not going to talk truth. So make una take a look at the video. So if you come back now, make we arrange our way.
We're just guns.
Talking of guns, we are talking of high caliber guns.
Okay.
They were carrying rifles. Not guns or anti-tank guns, as you may want to say.
Pardon my ignorance. The bullets you shoot you use for the blank, is that
correct?
Or which other one?
Life.
Ogbonlanu then requests for General Taiwo to watch videos where protesters are being fired at to reaffirm if the army used live ammunition.
The soldiers will be giving both live and blank bullets. Okay. In this particular case, we saw that these protests had been infiltrated by some hoodlums. They were peaceful protesters, no doubt. But they were also the hoodlums who sought to take advantage. That is why they were armed with blank bullets in addition, blank ammunition, in addition to the life they were carrying.
I'm asking you specifically. So at Lekki toll gate, the troops under Colonel Bello were armed with blanks and live bullets.
Yes, my lord.
I showed you images.
No, I'm talking about my time. That's not relevant here. Just to show that there are so many explanations for what happened. I, for instance, am convinced by a lot of things you have said. I'm not going to the issue of Lekki toll gate itself. Now, when you deploy your personnel on operation, are they normally debriefed?
They are briefed.
Do they debrief them when they come back?
After.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes, of course.
They are debriefed.
Because you use it for lessons learned.
Thank you very much. So that's where I'm going. You have confirmed here, sir, that your personnel actually goes to Lekki toll gate, and that the interaction did not involve anything that would have been counted as breach of rule of engagement.
Yes.
And what you showed us here speaks to that. Now, I'm asking you, when you debriefed them, was there a report of any fatality or casualty?
None.
So you can see we are not really fighting. I just want us to get the truth.
No, rather than that, we are currently in phase 4.
Now, phase 4 call. Who makes that call? Is it a military decision or decision by a governor of the state who make the call of that we are now at phase 4. Guys, boys, move.
Now, before phase 4 is activated,
Yes.
the governor will have sought permission or made a few calls or transmitted a letter to the president, or in this case, even to the chief of army staff. The governor indeed called even the chief of staff to the president.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now, that stage of the governor is still part of phase 3. Because the decision that will come after that, no, please, let's get this clear. The decision of the governor say, look, this thing is out of our hands, the police are overwhelmed, the threat is real, we need additional force. It then makes, it's a request, it's not a demand, it makes a request. Is that not so?
Yes.
And then the governor, if Mr. President takes a decision whether that request as at that time was warranted. Is that not so? It's a call from Mr. President. Even if you send it to the chief of army staff, it still has to clear with Mr. President. You know, I've read the section of the Constitution about So when the governor, after his Security Council meeting on Monday 19th, at which I've explained to you who appeared, a decision was taken that the situation warranted a coffee. You have confirmed here that the governor tried to get Mr. President, and he also tried to get Chief of Army Staff. You have confirmed that?
I didn't say Mr. President. I know he spoke to the Chief of Staff,
the
President.
Okay.
He spoke to the Chief of Army Staff, and he spoke to the GOC 81 Division. Also, before then, he had spoken to the Commander 9 Brigade. But the Commander 9 Brigade does not have the power to deploy troops in that.
I'm very happy with what you are saying. Now, with all these calls, the governor has no preemptive power to impose his will on them. They have to assess it for their own professional judgment, whether his request makes sense or not. Am I right, sir? That's why he has to make the request. So this is the situation on ground, sir. Please, Chief of Staff to the President, help me inform the President, this is where we are. Chief of Army Staff, this is where we are. Then they take a decision after looking at it, supported by your intelligence, Security Council, everything, and say, look, it is
and
necessary.
The governor is involved in that decision.
No, please, don't, General, let's not dabble into politics and constitutionalism.
It is not politics.
Hold on, sir. I asked you before that when the president makes an order in terms of security in the state, the governor has no right to veto it. He must comply. I read that to you. Now what I'm saying is like this. The request to deploy armed forces by a governor is just what it is, a request. The decision, the call, whether that will be done, is left to Commander-in-Chief and his line officers. That should be simple, it's obvious.
Yeah, my people, I think I don't hear them from the horse's mouth now. I don't see everything as it just take go. Me now, I won't come let you know waiting they happen to Africa when it be say my brain, it don't scatter finish. Una know waiting they kill now African people. Tribalism, language barrier. Because this thing now when it be say happen for Lekki, so for Lagos. Una for fit drag this matter. Una for fit fight this matter. If to solve of una day one. But all of una not day one because the language when not they hear. It don't differentiate una when una not call una brothers and sisters again. The tribe wanna be this one Hausa, this one Yoruba, this one waiting and not know. All of them, it don't spoil una way. If something happen now for Africa now, for one African country, if you can't talk, the people when you say they come for that country, they go want chop you. When you go talk this one, in your country this one, when you go talk this one, in Africa this one, when you go talk this one, your village this one, but not fair to admit the real truth and waiting they happen so. The Lagos State governor when he be saying I order this shooting, maybe Igbo man, maybe Hausa man, maybe Ijaw man. Now see the same Yoruba man. And I see many Yoruba say they die for inside because we watch and when it be say Yoruba people say they plenty when it be say they die for inside. Instead, now one of them will come together to find the solution of this. Buhari said when he say he don't know. Instead, they involved because you know people let us know so your regime, people when they under you, they're corrupt like this. So the law not there for your country again. So everybody feel give order. Which means you are corrupt. So your hand there. Because I don't believe say if president don't know something, people will just go. If to say you won't be Buhari, your hand not there. You don't need to tell say CNN in a fake news and they carry you once and shot them. Nigerian government don't need to say it. You don't need to say make an FC come up for Nigeria. You don't need to say it. You don't need to say you won't ban the social media. You don't need to say it. You don't need to come they pursue people or come they arrest people when they say they do this protest. When they protest for their future. So you don't need to do and you don't need to show it. So your hand is there inside the back because now you be the oga pata now you spoil all of them because from you first of all truth not there inside. Instead when you be say you won't be the president now you supposed to carry this case up. Say when you will go give order when be say me when be Mr. President and not give order. But now you come they try to cover them. So you dey inside because all of them know what they do now know as not they arrange her. But you no go favor one because if now when this not there for the top, now they behave like this. I don't know what I expect small children may they come to. I don't just know at all. This killing so many business na kill for Lekki so. They vex they kill policemen, they kill soldiers, they kill this one. But now they remember the innocent lives, the poor ones, the people when they say they don't get who want talk for them when they say they waste their life like spaghetti. And I forget the one when SAS police do. Now forget the one when soldiers do. Now the ones when they do for Lekki now, I see they forget her. And now even when they tell us about hoodlums, the time when they say these protesters, the first of all stars, who they employ hoodlums, now government. Up to today when me and Una they talk, so we never see any governor or any senator or any president when they say they don't arrest them or now he send all those hoodlums. Because that time we see many hoodlums when they confess say now government now he send them. We see government cars, we see the officials cars where they come they distribute app they give them. But nobody question Una. Una not go jail for it. Now they send on that hoodlums when they go to kill people. Now I cause talk now say Lekki when I go shoot, send our hoodlums now I shoot for Lekki. People when me and you use our ITC. Legends then when people only say they get value for the land, when get power, when get the liver, the agility to come fight for their land. You tell us in our hoodlums now they be. May God have mercy on you, Nigeria government. I tell you the truth. But no matter how I come pursue this matter, no matter how I beat around the bush, no matter how I die, the main thing when I want to let you know be say the spirit of those people when I kill, it go expose all of them. I must surely pay for it. If I not come admit what I do, say I do wrong, to come plead for forgiveness, I go pay badly for it, and I go pay dearly for it. I tell you, because those people when they say they die, God go to hear their voice. The family of those victims, God will hear their voice. And God may be fool when he be say, you go do person bad, you go sit down for your home, they enjoy. Like no matter what, one way or the other, no matter what, God will pay you back. So my viewers, thank you all for watching, and may you all remain blessed. Make una not the worry, say, this is their matter of Lekki so. May their life finish. They go come out for the truth at last. I bet you all. Bye for now, and make sure not to forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel when they Harmless TV. Now Harmless I be, I rest my case.
It's Melody Sound.